everyone, and welcome to another sponsor spotlight at Girls Who Print. This is our opportunity to give the mic to the sponsors and supporters and friends of Girls Who Print. And we are eternally grateful to an amazing sponsor who you're going to be meeting in just a minute. Her name is Santa Buca, and she is with a company called SDD in the Netherlands. So I would like everyone to welcome Santa. Santa, thank you so much for being here. We know that SDD has been sponsoring Girls Who Print for many years. And I'd love to just have you tell us a little bit about yourself and your role and your company.
Hello, Kelly. Thank you very much for this great introduction and the opportunity to tell our story about myself and about, of course, SDD. So my name is Santa Buca. I am already 15 years within a company, and my role is international sales and marketing manager. So I'm responsible for different projects inside the company, but also for the marketing, PR activities, and also the social media, but also different customer cases.
All right. Well, for those people, because again, this industry is massive globally, right? And there may be some folks out there that don't really know much about SDD. So can you tell everyone a little bit about how SDD shows up in the industry? What do you do to support the printing industry?
Yes. Now, SDD stands for Smart Dedicated Design. So actually, the name already says it. So we are developing and producing print finishing equipment here in the Netherlands. So actually, we are developing here, also producing here, and also servicing all our equipment worldwide from the Netherlands. So from the middle center of of the Europe towards the whole world. And our specialty is that we developed a really special project, special products for our print vendors. So our focus is to listen to our partners, but also listen to the end customers, as we see that end customers are requesting complete solutions, not only at the front end and also the, let's say, the printer end, but they want to have complete solution from the software, the printing process, but also finishing process, and they see that as a total package. And that's why we as a company, we really want to talk to our partners, to printer vendors, but also to the end customers to give them the right solution and the right finishing equipment for their needs and for their applications.
I mean, that's so fantastic. I love the idea that you actually consult with all the stakeholders in those to understand what people need, kind of what their vision is and what they see is happening in the future. But speaking of the future, is there anything exciting happening, any new initiatives or anything that you want to kind of tell the world about right now?
Oh yeah, for sure. As I mentioned already a few moments ago, that we are really listening to the market and we are listening also to our end customers. And what we see that automation, productivity, reliability is very important nowadays, which means that we also keep that in mind when we are developing our let's say a new products or even existing products where we are making improvements. That means that our focus is to create one bottom operation for the operator. So that means that operator can be busy with other things and not just go to our equipment and set the sizes or do other things. So that means that they are free to do different things and not focus only on complete printing and print finishing process. So that means more automation, reliability, and productivity for the end customers, and of course easier work for the operators.
I'm sure everybody loves to hear that, right? They want to know that people can be busy doing multiple things at one time. And I'm hearing efficiency and I'm hearing, automation is the word of the day, isn't it? Everybody's talking about making things smoother and simpler and all of this automation. So that's very exciting. Santa, how can people find out more about you? Where should we send people if they want to engage with you or if they want to learn more about your company?
Of course, you can always follow us on LinkedIn. We have also our own SDD and BV page where you can see all the latest news which we are sharing. Actually, weekly we have new different things which we are sharing, and you can find them there. And of course, at our website, sddbb.com. And of
Okay.
course, anytime, yeah, people can also contact me or other colleagues from SDD when there are questions and they want to know something more about the finishing equipment, about things what we are doing, then please feel free to contact us.
Amazing. Okay, well, let's talk for just a little bit about Girls Who Print and SDD. Because again, we know that you've been supporting us for a long time. Why is it important for SDD to be in collaboration with Girls Who Print?
Yeah, because first thing is that our industry, it's actually man industry. Let's put it
Yeah,
like that
yeah.
for most of percentage. And of course, we have a lot of interesting women in the industry, which are giving a lot of energy, but also like inspiration
Yes.
to our markets, because it's also a pretty niche market.
Mhm.
And that's why also our company SDD thought, let's put more effort, let's make more noise about girls who print, because also the younger generation should be interested, because print, it's very interesting, it's very colorful, you can do a lot of things with it. So it's not just the printing, but it's also about the end product, what you can make. And that's why, yeah, if everyone inspires also the younger generation, it will make, like, yeah, small thing big. And this is how
Yes.
we think at SDD.
I mean, absolutely. That's so fantastic. We are very much in agreement about that. Let's talk a little bit about you personally. What have you gained from being a part of the Girls Who Print community?
Yeah, for sure, connections. You learn interesting women in business, and of course, when you can also follow them, and you can also learn from them, and of course, you get in touch in a contact where you can get more interaction, more communication, and of course, with all those bits of pieces you're learning. So myself, I'm learning every day when I see the posts or I talk to women. So it's like, everyday growth, and you move forward, and you learn about the market trends and these kind of things. So it's pretty excited to be within this community.
Yes, and we are just so thrilled that you've had that experience and that we've been able to do that together, and you're a part of that, obviously. So before I let you go, I need you to tell the story of a recent decision that SDD made to adopt someone. Can you tell us a little bit about this?
Yes, SDD has adopted orangutan. Her name is Sandy. So this is actually also our different kind of way of, let's say, working with the local companies, and it's a local zoo for monkeys, different kinds. And then you can also, like, yeah, do this adoption, and then you can support also the wild nature, but also different kind of monkeys in the whole world, because they have different kind of programs worldwide. And we thought, let's do also something about it. So what we did, yeah, we adopted Sandy already for the second year, and we like this. And why we adopt really Sandy? Because she's also very technical, and it fits to our spirit, like SDD spirit, developing things, producing things. Because when she sees somebody is busy, with all those equipment inside where they are living, and she knows how it works and how it's put together, then she can also dismantle things. So that means when they repair something, she must go away. Otherwise, she will make everything apart. So it's very special and technical monkeys indeed.
I mean, that is the best story. So, what I need everybody in the world to understand is we now have our first Girls Who Print orangutan. which is how we pronounce it here in the States. And her name is Sandy. So we're going to get her some Girls Who Print gear. And I just think that's the best story. I know you love animals and I do as well, Santa. I was actually just walking this morning and this big owl like swooped down right by where I was walking. It was
Right.
magical. It was really beautiful. So my friends, I want to have you join me in thanking Santa Buca and SDD for their longstanding support of Girls Who Print. Make sure you visit them at sddbv.com or connect with Santa on LinkedIn. All kinds of exciting things happening for them globally. Santa, we are very, very grateful for all of your support, and it's been really nice getting to know you a little bit more. So I will say thank you for being here. I want you to have a wonderful day. And thank you everyone for listening to this sponsor spotlight at Girls Who Print. Empower long and prosper.
Thank you, Kelly. Have a good day.
Thanks.